Right now, plant growth and animal transformation videos are going viral everywhere. People are getting millions, even hundreds of millions of views using this format. I came across an Instagram page with around 369,000 followers, and one of their reels has crossed 400 million views. Let me walk you through how you can make the same kind of videos using AI. First, open ChatGPT. Go to the Explore GPTs section and search for restoration time-lapse. Once you find it, open it and start a chat. Now, paste the prompt. You'll usually find it in the description. Just replace the animal with whatever you want. For example, if you choose a lion, ChatGPT will generate 4 image prompts along with matching video prompts. Copy the first image prompt and open Flow AI. Paste the prompt and generate the image. It'll be ready in a few seconds. Save it. Do the same for the remaining prompts so you end up with 4 images in total. Now, let's turn those images into videos. In Flow AI, go to Create Video and select the Frames to Video option. Upload your first image as frame 1 and the second image as frame 2. Then, copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and generate the video. Save it once it's done. Repeat the same process. Image 2 with image 3. Image 3 with image 4. Use the matching video prompts each time. Once all your clips are ready, open any editing software. Import the clips and arrange them in order. Slightly zoom in to hide any logos or watermarks, and add transitions if you want. And that's it. Your final video is ready.